Okay, I found this piece of wood on the side of the road. It's weathered real good. It looks so. You know, it's about 4 foot long. I'm gonna cut it up here. Maybe some signs out of it. I'm gonna cut one piece about 18 inches long here. Let's see my mark. Let me cut this up. Okay, let's take it over to the CNC. Okay, here's the love sign I made for my niece. It's got her and her fiance's initials in it. As you can see, when I carved out the love part and everything, I just left it natural. Remember, this was the old rough wood. My dog wanted to bark. I think it turned out nice. I think she'll like it. Thanks for watching, guys.